Hi, we will going to discuss about Sarvokial model, how to use Sarvokial model in research, how to find the gap between customer expectation and customer perception. This Sarvokial model is a logical and straightforward path. It is predefined and able to be used in required situation. This Sarvokial model is helpful to find service quality in various sectors. Service quality by using only 5 words. RATAR we can define. RATAR, reliability, assurance, tangible, empathy, responsiveness. Reliability, ability to perform promised service. Assurance, knowledge and courtesy of employee. Tangibility, physical facility and equipment, personal communication material. Empathy, caring of employees. Responsiveness, willingness to help customers. So these parameters we are going to find the gap between. Yes, it is broadly divided into two ways: customer point of view and company point of view. Customer point of view, customer expectation and customer perception alone. In company point of view, understanding customer needs, service delivery policy, external communication. Let us see the gap between each one. Gap 1, understanding customer needs and customer expectation. It is otherwise called listening gap. And gap 2, understanding customer needs and service delivery policy. It is otherwise called standard gap. And gap 3, service delivery policies and service delivery. Between these two, it is otherwise called service performance gap. And gap 4, service delivery and external. It's a communication gap. Obviously, it is a communication gap. And the last one, understanding of customer needs and customer expectation. It is a knowledge gap. Company and customer, between a knowledge gap. So how to use this? What are the parameters? Let's see one by one. So as I told you, the radar. A radar, it is basically 5 basic parameters. Each one have different types of questionnaire. Reliability, we can use 5 number of questions, number of questionnaire. In assurance, 4 number of item, and tangibility again 4 number of item. Empathy 5, responsiveness 4. Let's talk about each one. Reliability, here whether they are providing a promised service or not. Assurance, it talks about the courtesy of employees. And tangibility, physical facility, the infrastructure. Empathy, are they carrying individualized attention to the customers? Responsiveness, how do they are helping the customers? These are the parameters we are going to discuss. So the radar Sarvokial model is basically 5 radar, and each one have number of item in the questionnaire 54454. Keep it in your mind. Next we'll move on to some example in Sarvokial model. Reliability, as I told you, whether they provide service in a promised time. Assurance, how the employees have confidence with the customers. How do? Tangibility, whether the basic infrastructure. Empathy has convenient operating hours. They are checking about the convenient operating hours, service providing hours. And the responsiveness, are they helping the employee? Are they helping their customers? The employees of excellent, and will they have help with the customers? The responsiveness means employees are helping customers. Are they showing that they are very busy? Are they ready to help with them? That we can help. That we can find out. So responsiveness, employees of a particular company showing help to the customers, right? Now we'll move on next one. It is basically Sarvokial model. P minus E. P is the individual perception and E is individual expectations. Customer's perception and customer expectation difference. How do we can find out? By using by Likert scale we can calculate. For each parameters, calculate mean value and standard deviation. Calculate the difference between mean and standard deviation. Easily we can find out gap analysis. If you want furthermore, you can take one more step. We can calculate coefficient of variation. The formula is standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. If you use coefficient of variation, how do it varies? The stability of providing service, The fluctuality of providing service. If the CV value coefficient of variation is lesser, they are consistent in providing service to the customers. For each company, service-oriented company, the researcher should use Sarvokiel model. It's a beautiful model. It's a proven model. It's purely logical oriented. The simple way P minus E, only 5 parameter, and just I am telling it is only 5 parameter, radar parameter. Each one have number of questionnaire 54454, and we can calculate P minus E, that is a Sarvokiel quality. That is mean minus standard deviation. We can easily find out gap value. If you want one more step ahead, we can calculate CV, coefficient of variation, the formula standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. If the CV value is lesser, the company provide consistent service to the customer. I am Pulminakshi. Await for the next updates in research. Thank you.